Today was an exciting day. We are picking up a trail camera from the woods. It wasn't particularly nice. I didn't enjoy it. I got bitten to bits because I forgot to bring any form of protection with me. I love it though, but please remember that when the like button comes up for you or when there's a like button available. It really does help me to do more. It was really rainy. It was a day that I thought we won't see many midges about, but we got attacked. When I got to the first camera, I got really attacked while I was changing the cards and checking the batteries. It was awful, like stinging nettles, like needles going into my shins. And you'll see that towards the end of the film. You're going to see my shins. There's two deer right ahead of me. Sika deer are our most common non-native deer species and originated from northeastern Asia, Japan. There are 6 subspecies of Sika deer, with the Japanese Sika deer the common species present in Ireland. There is also evidence of Manchurian Sika in the northwest of Ireland. Sika deer can interbreed with red deer. Lord Powerscourt, on his estate in County Wicklow, kept Sika and red deer enclosed together, forcing their interbreeding. The union produces fertile offspring, which may share predominantly one of its parents' external features, intermixed with the other, resulting in red-like hybrids and Sika-like hybrids. Hinds can conceive at 1.5 years of age, though it is common at 2.5 years of age, when skeletal growth and muscle mass has attained about 90% of its final size. In the absence of conception, the hinds will repeatedly ovulate at 21-day cycles until pregnancy is achieved. Pregnancy lasts over 7 months, and calves are born in late May and early June, with weaning usually occurring during the spring. Sika deer and our native red deer are the same genus, and they can interbreed to produce fertile hybrid offspring. Sika are protected under the Wildlife Act 1976 and may be hunted under a Section 29 licence granted by the National Parks and Wildlife Service. Stags may be hunted from September 1st to December 31st, and hinds from November 1st to February 28th. Between the hours of 1 hour before official sunrise and 1 hour after sunset, it is illegal to hunt deer at night or with the use of dogs.
cold March winds, your cruel lament are hard on prisoners' hearts. For you bring my mother's pleading cry, from whom I've had to part. I hear her weeping lonely sobs, her sorrow sweeps me by, and in the dark prison cell, a tear has warmed my eye. O whistling winds, why do you weep, when roaming free you are? O lonely winds that walk the night, to haunt the sinner's soul. Pray pity me, a wretched lad, who never will grow old. Pray pity those who lie in pain, the bondsman and the slave. And whisper sweet the breath of God upon my humble grave. O cold March wind, that piercing dark, you cry in aged tones. For souls of folk you've brought to God, but still you bear the moans. O weeping winds, that lonely night, my mother's heart is sore. O Lord of all breath, of freedom's breath, that she may weep.
Head and shoulders? I didn't know you had dandruff. I don't.
So don't have dandruff. Have great looking hair.